Hi guys, Alien Trader here. Um, Today I would like to talk a little bit more about outside bars and outside ranges. Um, I've been receiving a lot of questions about my model and how I anticipate the moves I anticipate. But first of all, we have to understand something that has to do with the outside bars, right? As we, as I told you before, we have, and for those of you that just are watching for the first time my channel, we have a bar, and then we have another bar that takes the high and the low in the same candle, right? This is an outside bar because this high was taken here and this low was taken here, right? So this is an outside bar. Larry Williams talked about this, and there's plenty of information about this. But what I want to share with you is what happens when there is an outside bar. As I mentioned just a little bit last time, if you have an outside bar, you could have the price break this trending line, retesting the range and expanding higher. That's one scenario, right? And this is where we take my model that you place your entry here or here. This is 70.5% and this is 75% retracement. You put your stop loss on this low, the outside bar low, and you target this. This is 2R, right? This is my model. Stoics model is 1-to-1, right? Risk to reward. This is his golden level, SBS level, and it gives you 1-to-1. You place a limit or a stop order right here. Your stop loss here and your target. That's it. But what I did was to study how retracements worked. This 70.5% retracement, and I will share with you this. This is the fib levels I use. Is from ICT. 70.5 and 79 is ICT OTE, right? As many of you know. So I started studying this level, and I noticed something, that most of the trades, or a great number of them, retraced after an outside bar, retraced to the 75% level, this here, and having the same TP target as Stoic model. This is what I use from Stoic's model. I cannot say it was mine, it is his, right? But the entry, this is mine. This is the 75% retracement, right? And this gives me less trades from Stoic, right? Many trades as you have seen in my Twitter timeline left without me because they touched this level and ran away, right? But I don't care about that because I use my indicator to search many cryptos, forex pairs, indices, gold, whatever. My indicator tells me when there is an outside bar, and I go and find my model there, put my entry, my stop loss, my TP, and that's all. So what I do is I try to get from this model, this 1-to-1 risk to reward model from Stoic, transform it or change it or modify it, whatever, upgrade it to 1-to-2 risk to reward, right? So I can fail many times and still be profitable, because having a 2 RR risk to reward, I only have to win 4 trades out of 10 in order to be profitable, right? A Stoics model, you have to be profitability, or whatever it is said, is depends on your performance, right? Because 1-to-1 risk to reward, if you win 5 and you lose 5, you are break even. But if you are on forex or crypto, you lost money, right? Everybody knows that. So as I have almost 62-65% win rate, when I have this model 1-to-2, I can be profitable even losing 5 trades out of 10 or 6 trades out of 10, right? So this is my model, because I tried to upgrade this great model that Stoic shared with us, right? Well, this is about the model, right? But let's talk about outside bars. We have the outside bars, as I told you before. It breaks out, retasts inside the range, and then moves away, or it can do this too, as a broad information, right? So when you have this, you can notice that it is volatility in the market. So this outside range bars tells us that liquidity or volatility is present in the market, right? That's why I use it, because it tells me that the price is about to move. But it doesn't have to be one bar to the other. It can be ranges. For example, right here, what do you see here? High, low, higher high, lower low, right? If we see this as a range, these candles as a range, we can say that these 2 candles were also an outside bar of this range, right? So look at this. You can place a fib right here and you have right here 75% retracement, and then moves to the TP perfectly, right? You can spot it everywhere you can see it. Look at this. We are in SUI coin right here. Here we have an outside bar. My indicator tells me about this, send me an alert, and I enter the charts, and then I take the trade. Look at this. I just told you about the movement that brings outside bars, the volatility that comes into the market when there is a outside bar present, right? Look at this. If we go to 5 minutes, we have a range here, and the next candle, right, that is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. It's an outside bar, right? As we saw on 1 hour chart right here, right? Well, if we look at this expansion, this outside bar, when did it end? Well, if we look at it as if it were candles, well, at 1 p.m. it stopped, right? Wrong. The expansion was present till here. It's this swing high right here. So if we place our fib, we just have to wait, right? We just have to wait and enter right here. And we have 2.28% just based on this candle. We had to wait longer, but the trade was perfect. It was better than taking the trade right here, because if we had this little range, we just had only %, and it didn't even touch the golden level right here. So retracement went deeper after this outside bar, this outside range expanded to its fullest, right here. So this is how I look at these outside bars. I don't consider this just the only model right here with 1 hour candle bars. I wait till the expansion finishes. When it stops and it start retracing, I usually go zoom out a bit and project another FIBO, right? And I see this right here. Look at this. This swing retraced to the 75% right here on this high. This candle, this last candle, 5-minute candle, touched this 75% level of this higher time frame swing, right? This is great. So I can, while I'm waiting for this price to retrace to my 75% to take this long, I can take a short when it reaches this 75% of a higher time frame range, right? Look at this. This is beautiful. From here to here, you have 2.6 risk to reward and almost 3% in this short before taking this long, because you enter here when price reaches the 75% retracement and you target to this line, right? So you have a short and you have a long, and everything in context of this outside bar. So this is the way I usually analyze price in order to take the trades I share with you on my X account. So I hope it was helpful, and please let me know if you want more videos or whatever question you have. You can send me a message or just comment on my posts, and I will answer you. So great. Until next time, I hope you're doing well and you become profitable with this model that it's fairly easy, just takes time. That's all. Well guys, bye.